Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Think Big Digital. In today's video, we're going to discuss how to add a Spotify widget to iPhone. So without any overdue, let's dive right into the video. For that, we are going to open the Spotify app. And basically, there's no direct way you can actually add a widget to iPhone through the Spotify app. What you can do is just click on it, the home screen, tap and hold the home screen and go to edit and go to add widget. From here you can actually select the app Spotify, and then there are different kinds of, basically two kinds of widget that you can actually add on your home screen as a widget for Spotify. So I'm going to select this one and I'm going to add it over here. So that's how I actually added a widget from Spotify on my home screen on my iPhone. So this is it for today, guys. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any other queries regarding this topic, you can comment down below and we will be glad to help you guys. If you want to see more of us on your For You page, then you can subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you will be able to get reminded of what we post. So we will see you in the next video then. Till then, goodbye.